Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make peanut butter liquidy. To achieve a smoother consistency, you'll want to gently warm it, as heat is the most effective way to thin it without altering its flavor. Then, incorporate a small amount of liquid, like water or oil, to reach your desired texture. Remember to stir thoroughly for an even mix. When thinning peanut butter, you have several excellent liquid options. Warm water or milk can create a wonderfully smooth consistency, perfect for drizzling. For a richer result, consider using a neutral-flavored vegetable oil or melted coconut oil. If you're looking to add a touch of sweetness, honey or maple syrup are fantastic choices that also help thin it out. Achieving the perfect liquid peanut butter is all about technique. Always add your chosen liquid gradually, perhaps 1 teaspoon at a time, to avoid over-thinning. If using a microwave, heat in short 15-second intervals, stirring well after each, until it reaches your desired flow. Once thinned, store your peanut butter in an airtight container to maintain its freshness and consistency. Now that you have perfectly liquidy peanut butter, the possibilities are endless. Drizzle it over your morning pancakes, oatmeal, or fresh fruit for a delicious boost. It's also fantastic for incorporating into savory salad dressings or creating rich, flavorful sauces for various dishes. And for more great deals, including those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to check out the links in the description below. Enjoy experimenting with your thinned peanut butter.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.